So I have the actual orangutan 80 millimeter wheels right here, and then we have these new. Everyone back over. Holy shit! They're supposed to feel more like racing tires. That's supposed to have more grip. Not to mention, they are just really springy. The creator, Doug, let me know there's inserts in here that I've actually taken out. So the inserts are not in here. He wants me to see what it looks like first without the inserts, and then I'll put the inserts back in, if that makes sense. See how those wobble a little? Like the left one, that one doesn't seem totally in, so hold on. As you guys can see, these are the Momentum Hollow wheels. Guys, riding without the inserts in. And it's actually a pretty good ride. Insanely well, there's like no slipping whatsoever. And it grips to the ground so much better. It is actually pretty impressive. Good cornering, hugs corners perfectly. Do a little carving right here. Yeah, these wheels are awesome. Good job, Doug. Holy. Riding in tuck with the wheels. And then of course now I'm going to change them out, and I am putting the inserts in now. So that's what you guys are about to watch. Now these inserts, when I talked to Doug, you can actually take, you see those bearings or those bars? You can put as many of those as you want in the insert. Just make sure you evenly put them around there, or you will get like an uneven or unbalanced wheel, if that makes sense. So there goes in the first one. Trying to open the second one, the bearing was giving me some issues. There it is, pop that in. Okay, on goes the cap and the bearing again, boom. Now, I had to push down on this decently hard on this side. Like I said, these are prototypes, so. Alrighty, I've gotten done riding around with the inserts in. The inserts definitely feel nice. I mean, it helps weigh the board down, so it really has really good traction on the ground. Amazing ride. Do me a favor, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and you'll see, I don't know, you might see more of these down the road on the next one. Talk to you guys soon.